Hello guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs. This is the Pain from Pune. Right now I am at the Benelli service, Benelli Pune service for my TRKs. If I'm getting it right, it is the sixth paid service. First three were in 2020. I bought the bike in 19 November. First three were in 2020. Then two were in 2021. And now this 2022, this is the sixth service. So bike is being worked on, and this time we made a special change to the clutch again because my clutch was running dry. So I'll leave some pictures of the dry clutch that my bike has somewhere here on the screen. You can check that, and I'll also show you some clips of the oil level that bike usually has. So when you fill 3 liters or 3.2 liters, 3 liters is recommended by Benelli in its manual, but at the service here they fill it around like 3.2. And with 3.2 also the clutch is never dipped, clutch is never oil dipped in the bike. Usually if you've seen old bikes like Splendor and all, तो उसमें oil में dip रहता है clutch, but in this bike it is not dip. Oil comes out from the center camshaft is what it called, I guess, and it spreads on the clutch plates. So there it was not spreading properly, so we made some change. I won't disclose what change we have done because I'm still not sure if it is going to work or not. At the end of the video probably I'll ride it for I'll conclude this video after riding it for some time and then let you know the feedback. Bearings top edge, वहाँ तक oil रहता है approximately in the vehicle. So this is our TRK का bell, and oil level is somewhere up to here. This is never dipped in oil. Oil में कभी भी डूबा हुआ नहीं रहता है. इसमें से oil बाहर आता है center में से, and then it spreads to the clutch. So those were the two clips of where the oil level is and how the oil gets, how much it gets filled and all. I'll show you again once the oil level is filled, how much it is filled. So by that you can recognize how much it is getting wet and all. So this H level, that is the maximum level, and your clutch is almost here, and यहाँ तक आपका सिर्फ oil रहता है. So in this box is my original clutch driven hub, which we had modified first and which went bad. I won't show you what we had done here, but this is the part that we had to change because whatever modifications we did to this, because of that a lot of vibrations increased in the bike. So I bought a brand new part. I spent it on my own because I was ready for that, which cost somewhere around 603. This is the old pricing. Let's see what the new pricing is. So this is gone waste now, the old one, and we've put in a brand new one. We've modified that too, but let's see how that works out. Front brake pads of my bike still alive at 12,900 kilometers. Rear brake pads of my bike still alive at 12,900 kilometers. Chain setting of my bike, which is still alive at third point at 12,900 kilometers. So why I'm showing you this, because I don't push the bike much. बहुत प्यार से चलाता हूँ. I get good fuel efficiency also. And in this service they will overhaul the front and rear brake, remove all the dust and all from it. आगे पीछे दोनों they'll clean everything and then put it back. Front brake pads, there are 4 pieces on the right and 4 pieces on the left. Left वाला अभी भी खोलना है. We have to yet open the left one and do it. These are the heat resistant or heat stickers or heat protection stickers that Benelli had put last time in my bike. So according to many and according to Benelli, maybe one issue could be that a lot of heat is coming from this exhaust and it is hitting the tire, because of which one side is wearing off faster. So this is the condition of my tire at 12,900. It is now very steep on this side. Probably in next 1,000 kilometers or so I'll change the tire. I've already picked up a semi-used tire from one of my friend in Pune. I got it at around 5,000 or something. So once we change that tire, I'll show you the final condition of this tire that time. And those who all are saying that, I don't believe that it is because of the heat from the exhaust, because there's a good amount of distance. This is the amount of distance between the tire and the exhaust. Brakes are back in place. कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा, मतलब लगा दिया clean करके, we put it back. Chain they've not adjusted because there's not much play. This is enough play. This much play has to be there, so it is alright. They're not going to touch it. Now they're opening the air filter. They've removed it, and plugs this time I'm going to upgrade to iridium ones. So I'll show you which plugs I'm putting, which मैं खुद से लेके आया हूँ. Look at the amount of dirt in the, I forgot the name. काय म्हणतात त्याला? Throttle body. Short term memory loss. We won't be able to start the bike now because oil नहीं है, but ऊपर से ये clean करके ले रहे हैं. Complete deep cleaning. Even the stepper motor was clean. So stepper motor मुझे आज फिर से refresh हुआ. It works like a choke. So this is the old plug, and I'm now replacing it with this iridium brand. इसका plug number कहाँ पे है? Where is the plug number? So this is CR80IX. I guess Dominar वाला ही है, same है. Dominar के जो side में लगता है, left and right same plugs है. These are the brand new plugs. Air filter almost good. I'm going to try and ask Mayur to make one similar stuff for me if he can. Let's see. So this is your petrol filter. मेरा वाला अभी अच्छा है, इसलिए we're not changing. It looks good. Petrol is flowing properly. इसमें से अच्छे से बाहर आ रहा है. And coolant भी normally change करना होता है, I think at 24,000 or something, but my coolant was changed at 7,700 when my coolant pipe had cut off. So we opened right now the coolant from the radiator cap from here and checked, and it looks alright, so we're not changing it. Brake oils are good, so we're not changing that also. By the way, you can look at the manual and you can come to know what is the period for changing for all these fluids. Even front one looks good, so we're not touching that too right now. Just to add a joke, is this taken from a BMW 500 GS? Normally this is lubed also, but मेरा पूरा lubed है, इसलिए we're not touching both the levers this time. Even my clutch cable is almost lubed, so we're not touching it. So guys, kilometers is 13,017 right now. All work is done, service is done. You must have seen all the clips ahead. I will ride the bike for another 300 kilometers or so and check the vibration levels or any other issues come up or anything, and let you know. Right now the bike feels much smoother than before. So the clutch mod that we did second time on the drive hub, that is surely working better this time, and I hope it works that way. Then problems of major TRK owners would get solved. Anyways, I'll continue later on. So guys, बाइक गॉट सर्विस एट 12,900. उसके बाद मैं वापस गया था फॉर वाइब्रेशन इश्यूज़ एंड ऑल. वापस गाड़ी आई, तो ये सब में I've ridden around 450 kilometers, and frankly the vibration issues have still not resolved. There was a free service camp जिसमें I dropped the bike, they cleaned it again last week or something, and in that all the panels that were vibrating they fixed it back. ओके खोल के रबर वगैरह टेप डाल के या फिर 2-way टेप डाल के जो करना था उन्होंने किया. आई वॉज नॉट वेटिंग देयर, आई हैड टू कम बैक होम बिकॉज ऑफ माई अदर इशूज़, सो दैट टाइम आई कुडंट रिकॉर्ड इट. बट नाउ द बाइक इज़ स्मूथ अप टू 3,500-4,000. if I ride the bike calmly, it is working smooth. But if I try to push the bike beyond 4,000, it starts vibrating again. So I'm not sure if that problem is common between all TRKs or older TRKs या फिर BS4 TRKs. I will have to ride a few more bikes and then I'll be able to identify. But so far, whatever info I told you regarding the clutch, I'm not going to make it public till the time a few more TRKs are test ridden by me. So you guys will have to wait for it. Sorry, I disclosed it earlier and I'm still not telling you the complete info. So you'll probably have to wait for another month or two to let show where I can completely show you all the stuff what we tried and what failed and what worked and what not. Gear shift is absolutely slick now. The shifts are much softer and smoother, but it has created another issue like vibes and all. So I still need to solve that. Okay, and coming back to the service cost and all, I will leave that a screenshot or something in the video somewhere towards the end for you guys to try to understand कि कितना खर्चा होता है and all this stuff. Nothing else to cover now. Rest, I have no other issues in the bike, and I'll continue using it and make more videos on it and let you know the feedbacks. So if you liked all the info that I showed it in the video, please to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe karne na bhuliega, and also share this video if you like the content. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune. See you in a new video very soon.